Tens of thousands of workers across a range of public sectors in the UK will walk off the job over the rest of December, demanding better pay. Despite this disruption, the British government has indicated it won't enter into pay negotiations.
Get used to this.
What do you want? What do you want it?
The coming days will see strikes on the trains, at Royal Mail and in the NHS. Royal College of Nursing members are due to walk out in England, Wales and Northern Ireland on Thursday. They're demanding a pay rise of around 17%. The union says it will call off the action if the government starts negotiating a new wage deal. But the Foreign Secretary insists it's not for ministers to haggle over NHS pay.
So we put in place an independent pay review body. We've accepted and implemented their findings in full. Of course, the Health Secretary wants to talk to the profession about how we can make the job better, how we can improve the NHS performance for everybody.
Save our NHS! Save our NHS!
But could this week be just the start? Junior doctors walked out in 2016 for the first time in 4 decades. Ahead of a ballot next month, their union is clear about the pay rises they want now and the chances of future strikes.
I think it's likely, unless the government is willing to negotiate with us about pay. So we're asking for a reversal of a pay cut. We've had, a pay cut for junior doctors of 26.1% since 2008. So over a quarter of our pay has been lost.
It's been calmer than usual here in recent weeks, but Christmas cheer is probably still in short supply for a Prime Minister being squeezed on several fronts. On the one side, Rishi Sunak has striking workers demanding higher pay and more spending. But on the other, Tory MPs are increasingly starting to agitate around last month's tax-rising autumn statement. 40 of them have written to the Chancellor expressing concern about how public money is spent. This isn't full-on rebellion yet, but it could be a precursor to big battles to come. Politics aside, the end result is a week ahead where most people will notice the impact of strike action. Who they blame for it will shape the political fallout and the fortunes of the Prime Minister.